Good day, friends. This is your Subhashni, welcoming you to yet another Wisdom Drops. Today's Wisdom Drops is about some parenting hiccups. Once, Mr. and Mrs. Madhu, parent of a teenager, approached us seeking our help for their teenage daughter. They felt the daughter had behavioral issue. Our first attempt was to know what do they mean by a behavioral issue. The middle class parents told me that their daughter Riddhi is not concerned about them. Riddhi is very demanding, adamant, and particular about everything she wants. She never showed any emotional attachment to them or her younger brother. They had a very recent incident to substantiate their finding, where Riddhi went on with fasting, demanding an iPhone for 2 continuous days. She was not even ready to understand that her papa had to work more than a month to earn that money as his salary. According to them, Riddhi had a behavioral issue and they wanted me to help them in changing her behavior. As a professional, I assured them I will do my level best to help them out, but there will be positive results only if they also give 100% cooperation. Before even meeting Riddhi in person, my work started with her parents. I wanted to get clarity with certain questions. My first question to them was this the first time Riddhi was threatening them with fasting or by any other means? Mrs. Madhu took over this question. She said, she has never done fasting before. She will cry and scream for some time. She will close her room and break things around sometime. But all that time her demands were for some clothes or accessories that she likes. Since those were affordable, we used to get her the same day. But this was very expensive and we couldn't arrange that money immediately. Which took me to my second question to them. Have you ever told her what is your financial situation and how much you can afford? Mr. Madhu said, how can I tell that to children, madam? If I tell them that I don't have money, will they ever respect me? My next question followed to them. Have you ever said no to any of her wishes? Mr. Madhu answered this. I have not got whatever I wanted as a child. I felt bad when my dad said no to anything that I asked. I never wanted my children to go through that feeling, so I get them whatever they ask for. I can understand you. You wanted to be a flawless parent. But tell me, if you have never told no for the past 15 years, how will she be able to take a no as an answer now? Even in this scenario, you have not told a no to her. After 2 days, you have bought her what she wanted. If you do not tell and make them understand the family's financial situation, how will they know what you go through? Without that, how will they know what to expect and what not to? I'm not blaming you for everything. Society, peer pressure, all those factors play a big role in this. While I work with Riddhi, I want you also to make some changes in the way you deal with them. Both the parents nodded their head in unison. With their agreement, we started our journey together, and within a couple of months, we could see a lot of changes. From a very young age, children should learn to accept no as an answer. There is nothing wrong with letting children know how much they can expect. Respect and love cannot be measured with money we spend for them. How about you? As parents, we always want to give our best to our children, but are we really giving them the best? Ask this question to yourself and answer yourself. Till then, it's bye from me, your Subhashni. Let's meet with more wisdom drops.